Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Landsat 7 and then Landsat 9 image to calculate for Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, that's NDVI. So NDVI is one of the most widely used vegetation indices in remote sensing. It helps us to monitor vegetation health, land cover changes, and environmental conditions. So before we start, let me show you how the properties of the Landsat 7 and the Landsat 9, so that we can be familiar with it and then know the kind of band that we are using. So okay, so this is the properties of the Landsat 7 and the Landsat 8 and 9. Okay, so the Landsat 7 start from 1999 and then end in 2013, and then Landsat 8 and 9 continue from 2013 to present. So as you can see, we have our the spatial resolution here, which is 30 meter. That's multispectral, that's 50 meter panchromatic, and then we have the same thing here. And then the temporal resolution, the 16 days, that the revisit time, and then we have our SWAT weight, and then red band, and then near infrared. So why NDVI? Somebody may ask why NDVI. NDVI is used to monitor vegetation health, as I have already said, and then track deforestation and greening, assess drought impact, and then support agricultural planning. And then the band combination, as you can see here, we have our band combination here. That's the formula. This is the formula for calculating for Landsat 7 and Landsat 8. So for Landsat 7 we use band 4 and then band 5. That's the near infrared and the red. And then this Landsat 8 we use band 5 and then band 4. So the only difference is in Landsat 7 we use band 3 and band 4, and then Landsat 8 we use band 4 and then band 5. So this is what you need to know about Landsat 7 and then Landsat 8. So let's quickly get into the practical session. So this is my interface of in today's video we'll be using ArcGIS Pro. So this is the interface of ArcGIS Pro. So if you already have a project, you can open it here, or if you don't have a project, you just have to launch your project. So I will name my project as NDVI tutorials. Okay, so NDVI tutorial, in the location you can leave it default, or if you prefer you can change the location on whilst clicking on this one. You can change the location. Alright, so this is my interface of ArcGIS Pro, and then for the sake of beginners, I have a video on how to use ArcGIS Pro. So if you're a beginner and then you want to learn about the interface of ArcGIS Pro, you can check on my page and then find that video, and then learn it, how to import and export anything from or into ArcGIS Pro. So let's quickly begin. So this is the interface of ArcGIS Pro. We have our map here, our geoprocessing tool here, which we'll be using, and then we have to import our Landsat image. So if you're a beginner and then you don't know how to download Landsat image, I have also made a video on that, so you can check my videos, and then you see how to download Landsat image, a very detailed video which will guide you on how to download Landsat image. So if you don't know how to download satellite image, you can check that video, and then it will guide you on how to download your own image. Select your location and then check your cloud cover and everything. So first of all, we are going to add our data. So we go to map, we go to add data here. So I have saved my data, my Landsat image on download. So I will just check my download. So I'll just go to my download. So okay, so I have it here, and then I also have it on download. So let's quickly go to downloads. Okay, so this is my image, which I have Landsat 9, that's the L1TP, and then I have Landsat 7, that's the L1TP, which you can see the date and then the time here, and the year, you can see it here. So first of all, we are going to do for Landsat 7. So you just click on Landsat 7. So as I showed you here, for Landsat 7, you just need your band 4 and band 3. So you just have to look through and then find your band 3 and band 4. So that's the only band that we are going to use. So you click on this one, you select the first one, then you click on shift and then you select the next one, that is the 2, and then you click on OK. Okay, so let's it will take a few seconds for it to appear here. Okay, so this is our Landsat image. As we all can see here, this is our Landsat image that I downloaded for 2000. So before we can calculate for our NDVI, it's either we are doing it for the whole Landsat image, or we have a portion of. So after calculating for NDVI, we can just clip our portion from it. So after getting your image like this, and then if you want to go ahead and then calculate for your NDVI, you just have to go to your geoprocessing tool, which we can find it on view. We have our geoprocessing tool here. So if your geoprocessing tool is not here, you can just come to view and then you find your geoprocessing tool. So on the toolbox, you can just search for Raster Calculator. So on the toolbox, we just search for Raster Calculator. Okay, so as you can see, we have our Raster Calculator here, that not the image analysis tool, the Raster Calculator, the spatial analysis tool. So you just click on this one, Raster Calculator. Okay, so we have our Raster Calculator here. So this is our interface of our Raster Calculator. So and then I showed you how you can, so that for calculating for Landsat 7, that's band 4 minus band 3 divided by band 4 plus band 3. So we have our band 4 here, we have our band 3 here. So the first one is band 4 minus our band 3 divided by, so we have to put our bracket here. So we can just add our bracket here. Okay, divided by, let's add our bracket here. Okay, divided by band 4 divided by band 4 plus band 3. So as you can see it here, we have our band 4 minus band 3 and then band 4 plus band 3. So that's what we are using here, and then this is your output where you want to save your file. So if you are okay with the default one, you just check your formula if everything is correct. That's the band 4 minus band 3 divided by band 4 plus band 3, and then you click on run. Okay, so this will take a few minutes for it to come. Okay, so we have our NDVI here. As we all can see, we have our NDVI here, which we can just click on it and then rename it as NDVI 2000. Okay, so this is our NDVI 2000. Okay, So as you can see, we have our high NDVI of 0.97, then we have our low NDVI as negative 0.95. So this is our NDVI for 2000. So let's quickly add our Landsat 9 and then do that one before we click on our study area. Okay, so this is our Landsat 9. Just click on it. So in Landsat 9 we are using band 5 and band 4, whilst in Landsat 7 we use band 3 and band 4. So in this Landsat 9 we are using band 5 and band 4. So you just click on your band, then you click on shift, then you choose your band 4 and then your band 5, then you okay. So this is our Landsat 9 image, as we can see here. So here we can clear this data from here. So that is, you see we have a clear expression here. Just click on it, then the expression will clear. So next one is we are calculating for Landsat 9. That's the band 5 minus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 4. So we have our bands here, as you all can see. Our Landsat 9 here, that's the band 4 and band 5. So the first one is, the formula said band 5 minus band 4. So don't forget to bring your bracket. Oh, sorry. Okay, divided by band 5 divided by band 5 plus band 4. Okay, so as we can see, we have our Landsat 9 band 5 minus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 4, and then that one too, we have our output here where we can change the name, or you can just leave it at default. So after calculating it, you can change it on the contents pan. So let's leave at the default and then click on run. Okay, so it will take a few moments for it to run, as we observe in the first one. Okay, so we have our Landsat 9, and then we have our Landsat 4 here, as we all can see. We have our Landsat 7, that's the 2000, and then we have our Landsat 9, that is NDVI. Okay, so this is our NDVI. So after this one, we can just right click this one, then we remove the main bands, because we have already calculated for our Landsat, and then just leave the 2 here. Okay, so now we have our NDVI maps here. That's the Landsat, that's the band NDVI for 2024 and then NDVI for 2000. So the next step is we are going to look for our study area and then clip our study area, where we can appreciate how NDVI are looking. So just go to where you have your study area map, where you have your study area map. So may I have my study area map here. Okay, so this is my study area. Alright, so you can see my study area is here. So this is the only portion that we want. So I'll just click my study area. Okay, so you locate your processing tool, and then you search for clip. So just type clip here and then click on enter. So you can see clip raster, that's the data management tool. You click on it, and then this dialog box will appear. Then you just click on here, then you select any of these. So let's first of all let's do for 2000. Then we select our study area, that's this one, and then we check this one, that's the use input features clipping extent. So the clipping will base on only the study area, and then it will ignore the other parts, and then maintain clipping extent. Then we click on run. Okay, so this is our NDVI for 2000. So let's do for 2024. Okay, so the same study area, this is 2024. No, so the mistake was we need to change the output field, which I ignore. So let's change the output field to 2024, then run it. Okay, so we have our NDVI, that's the NDVI for 2024, and then let's redo the 2000 again. So let's choose a different name for it. Okay, so let's just click on NDVI 2000. Okay, so this is our new output field. So let's click on run. Okay, so as you can see, now we have our NDVI 2000 and now our NDVI 2024. So we can just uncheck this one or remove it. Okay, so as you can see, you can appreciate how everything is looking. So you can see we have our NDVI map here, and then we have this one here. So the next step is we need to change the color. So just click on the color, this one here, and then the symbology, or just you can just right click on this one, go to symbology, and then you'll find this panel. You just click on this color palette here, and then you just locate this one. So let's glance through and then look for color. Alright, so let's use this color. So as we can see, we have our NDVI map here. This is our NDVI 2000, and then we can do the same thing for our NDVI 2024. So that one too, we can use the same color as the first one. Alright, so now we have our two maps here, which shows our NDVI trend. So as you can see, we have this is our NDVI 2000, and then we have our NDVI 2024. So this is the simplest way you can use Landsat 7 and 9 to calculate for NDVI. So thank you very much for your attention, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos.